So, dear students, in today's class, we will understand the concept of pseudocode. In the last class, we discussed about algorithm and flowchart. I hope after watching that video, all your concept regarding algorithm and flowchart have become clear. So, students, let us move on to our topic today, pseudocode. Dear students, before starting out the video, I request you all not to skip the video. Watch it till the end and I can assure you that your concepts regarding pseudocode will be cleared out fully. So let's begin our topic today, pseudocode. So what actually pseudocode is? In pseudocode, look here, in pseudocode, pseudo means imitation and code means instruction written in programming language. So what type of programming language? C, Fortran, Pascal or any other programming language, okay. So pseudo means imitation and code means instruction written in any programming language like C, Pascal, Fortran, like that. So now our first point of pseudocode. Look here, pseudocode is a popular tool for documenting algorithm. That means for documenting algorithm, pseudocode is a popular tool used for. Okay. So our next point is pseudocode is an outline of a program written in a form that can be easily converted into real programming statements. Okay. Now comes on our third point. Pseudocode is also known as PDL. So what is this PDL? PDL is nothing but it is programming design language. Okay. Pseudocode is also known as PDL as it emphasizes more on the design aspect. Okay. So pseudocode mostly emphasis on the design aspect. Now the fourth point. In most cases, look here, in most cases, okay, pseudocode avoids variable declaration. Not in all cases, in most cases, pseudocode avoids variable declaration. Now comes the fifth point of pseudocode, the purpose of pseudocode. Okay, so look here, the purpose of pseudocode is that it is easier for people to understand. Okay, so what it says, pseudocode is easier for people to understand. Pseudocode uses short phrases to write code for programs. Okay, so look here, it is an important point. Pseudocode uses short phrases, okay, to write code for programs. Now comes on the advantage. So what is the advantage of pseudocode? Converting to programming language easily. So like I have said you earlier, pseudocode is an outline of a program, okay, and pseudocode emphasis more on design aspect. Okay, so pseudocode, the advantage of pseudocode, look here, converting to programming language easily. So pseudocode, it is easy for pseudocode to convert to programming language. Okay, so students, this is the definition of pseudocode. Now let us move on and see how to write a pseudocode. Okay, so let me take you there. So look here, pseudocode for greatest of two numbers. So like in algorithm and flowchart, what we did, for example, let us have a look here. In algorithm, what we did, we wrote step 1, step 2, step 3 up to the end of the algorithm. What we did, we wrote start, we took variables, we calculated, we stored the output. Okay, then we wrote stop and all. So in pseudocode, you don't need to go for all those. Okay, just in simple words you need to write the pseudocode. You will start with simple words like begin. Okay, so for greatest of two numbers, as it is for two numbers, you will take two variables. I have taken here a and b. Okay, after declaring the variables in pseudocode, you don't need to write any main function, return function or anything. Okay, just in simple words you write, if a is larger than b, then write a is largest, else b is largest. Just simple. Okay, just simple, not complicated like algorithm, flowchart or programming. Okay, just in simple words in pseudocode for greatest of two numbers, look here, just simply you write begin, take the two variables, okay, a, b, simple. If a is larger, then a is larger than b, then write a is largest, okay, otherwise b is largest. So you have used if here, just end the if and end the pseudocode. So in this way you can write the pseudocode for greatest of two numbers. So if you follow here one thing, you can see that writing a pseudocode is easier to a little extent, okay, than designing algorithm or flowchart. So here you just need to use the simple words in pseudocode. Now I think that you have got the idea, okay, I think you have got the idea now. For your better understanding, let us now see one more pseudocode. So let's proceed there. Look here, program to print Fibonacci up to n numbers. So what we will do here, we will see the pseudocode for Fibonacci up to n numbers. So like I have said you don't need to write any start or step 1 or anything like that, okay. Just use the function Fibonacci, okay, since we are doing Fibonacci up to n numbers, okay, just use function Fibonacci. Then get value of n, it will take the value of n, okay. Then what we will do, we will set value of a to 1 and b to 1 here, okay. Then we will initialize I to 0. Then we are going to use the for loop. The for loop gets started over here. As you all know how the Fibonacci numbers program is written, we will write same, okay, but in pseudocode the written style is changed to a little extent, okay, it is little bit easy. So we will declare the for statement here for I equal to 0, I less than n up to I plus plus, okay. That means it will go on incrementing up to the what value you give of n, okay, it will go on incrementing. Then if a is greater than b, okay, then you will write increase b by a, you will just simply print b. Else if b is greater than a, increase a by b, you will print the a, then you will close this third brackets, okay. So in this way we are going to print the respective Fibonacci numbers do this code, okay. With this code we are going to print the Fibonacci numbers. So in this way the pseudocode are written and it is very close to the programming language, as you can see here. So students, I hope that the concept of pseudocode is clear to you all. So students, if you like this video and if you think that this video helped you a lot, then do like, comment, share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay. So students, I will be coming with a new video soon. Till then, take care, stay safe and bye.